Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipops with Jolly Ranchers. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a bag of your favorite Jolly Rancher candies, some lollipop sticks, and parchment paper. Make sure your oven is preheated to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is key for a smooth melt. Also, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Now, unwrap your Jolly Rancher candies. For each lollipop, place 2 or 3 candies close together on your prepared baking sheet. Remember to leave a few inches of space between each candy cluster, as they will spread out when melted. Place the baking sheet into your preheated oven and bake for about 5 to 8 minutes. Keep a close eye on them. You want them melted, but not too thin. Once your Jolly Ranchers are perfectly melted, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. This next step is time-sensitive, so work quickly. Immediately press a lollipop stick into the center of each melted candy. Gently twist the stick to ensure it's fully coated and securely embedded in the warm, pliable candy. This creates a strong bond for your lollipop. Let your newly formed lollipops cool undisturbed at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes until they are completely hardened. Once firm, carefully peel them off the parchment paper. They are now ready to enjoy or to be wrapped for gifting. And hey, for an even easier cleanup around the house, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.